how to build your list using JV giveaway events. So this is another way to build your list, and I'm going to show you now. So actually the money is in the list, we all know, and one of the most powerful and fast way to build your list is participating in JV giveaway events. And in this video I'm going to cover how to use it, how to basically enroll in this JV giveaway events, which allows you to build your list. So let's go to the video, and remember to subscribe to the channel and go to johnvianney.com in order to get the step-by-step coaching on how to make money only sending emails.
Hello, so in this video I'm gonna talk about a list building method called JV giveaway events. And a giveaway event is basically where several marketers will agree to contribute a gift to a giveaway event, which is held at a certain website, such as what I'm looking at right now. It's called the Lucky 7 giveaway. And basically, we part of the agreement is everybody has to drive traffic to the giveaway event. There are some giveaway events where you don't really have to drive traffic. You could just pay a certain fee, and that'll give you credits and to stay in the giveaway event. And so basically, this is a great way to build your list in the internet marketing niche. There are also giveaway events in the health and also in the self-improvement niches, but most of the giveaway events are in the internet marketing niche. All right, and to find giveaway events, you simply just do a Google search, and you could also sign up for other marketers' lists. That's how I get notified of giveaway events that are coming up. I'm just notified of by other marketers that I'm on the list of. Okay, so what I'm looking at right now is the Lucky 7 giveaway. There are several giveaway events every month. So as you can see here, the giveaway events the dates for this giveaway event is from Monday, September 24th to Friday, October 19th. So those are the dates that you're going to drive traffic to this giveaway event. And by now, if you've been in the marketing arena for a while, you should have a squeeze page already, and preferably have a one-time offer built in so you could monetize your leads immediately. But anyways, what I want to talk about here is joining a giveaway event. And there's a lot of these giveaway events when you sign up as a contributor. A lot of the copy here is the same, telling you about the benefits of joining. So I just quickly scroll all the way down to the bottom. Oh, and by the way, the rules are stated usually on the page here for contributors. Rule number 1 being that you must promote the giveaway. Rule number 2, you must promote the direct downloads. And rule number 3, you have fun. And every giveaway event, they have different rules. Some you don't really have to promote. You could just buy your way into the event and just buy yourself some credits, like I said earlier. Okay, so at the very bottom here is where you just fill in your information. Okay, so I've just registered, and I've also clicked the confirmation link in the email, so I'm now inside the giveaway event. Usually there is an offer here if you want to upgrade. So what I'm looking at here, let's just quickly look. Let's just read what it says here. As an upgraded contributor, you will get direct download links, number of gifts allowed 7. So this is a great way to build your list. To maximize your leads is to offer more gifts to this event, because then you'll have more people signing up for your gifts. You could also insert special offers in this event. You could also insert text ads to show up on the websites, and you could also upgrade your commission to 70%. So if you refer other people, other contributors to this event, and they upgrade, you get a commission of that. But in this case, you'll get an increase of 70 up to 70% commission on that. Okay, so usually I would upgrade, but for this event, I'm not gonna join because I don't join every giveaway event that comes out. But so I'm just gonna go ahead and skip this. Okay, and of course, when you turn it down, usually there is a down sale. So same offer, but this time they're offering you one more chance here. But instead of 7 gifts allowed, they're allowing you to get 3 gifts, which is still good. Um, and the 50% upgrade commission. And let's just see how much this offer is. So $5. And again, I'm just going to turn this down. Alright, so what usually happens then is you're presented with another offer. This could be from another contributor. So basically, if you were to take one of the upgrades, this you could place one of your offers here. So this could be your offer right here. Um, I'm not interested, so I'm just going to scroll down. Alright, so here I am. I'm on the main page where I could look at my stats and place my gifts. If you look at here, the menu bar, you could edit your profile. You can manage your gift. This is where you would place your gift. So you just see your product name, upload a picture, a short description, the full description of the gift. So this is pretty much straightforward. And here you could see some ads from other contributors. So if you took the upgrade, you could place an ad similar to these to more of your offers. And if you want, you can get gifts, download purchases, and here are the stats for the contest, because usually the people that the marketers that drive the most traffic usually will win a prize. If you want to invite contributors, you could get your affiliate link and your email swipes here. There's a help desk. If you want to promote this to your list, again, there's another set of links and email swipes. Alright, so basically let's click on get gifts. So this is what it looks like when people are invited to the giveaway event. And so this is what it looks like. They're going to see the gifts. And you have an option of random hot downloads or general downloads. Let's just go to general downloads. So let's just click on one of these. Let's choose this product right here, which says grab your instant blog traffic. So you just click on download if you're interested in getting this product, and so you're brought to the squeeze page. Alright, and like I said earlier, you should have a squeeze page set up already. If not, it's easy to set one up, or just get a PLR product out there. A lot of them already have squeeze pages or templates for you to use, and you're ready to go.
Hey, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you wanted to go more in depth and learn how to make money online promoting other people products, which is called affiliate marketing, go to johnvianney.com and put your name and email and get the step-by-step coaching on how to make money online sending emails. See you in the next video.